Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to day 27 of 31 days of scrapbooking in December, where I'm making a scrapbook layout each and every day, and they are all Christmas themed. Today I have a 2-photo sketch, and it was created by Laura Whitaker for scrappingaroundtheclock.blogspot.com. And I just did one that was very similar to this one just recently. I really like this design. I just like the overall feel of it. You can see this isn't just white space, it's a grid here, and it's bordered by a darker image, and then it's got all of these different color pattern papers here. So this was a perfect time for me to go into my stash and pull out the 6x6 paper pads. So you can see I did that. This was supposed to be a 2-photo sketch. I'm just using the 1 photo for it. I had recently, just several days ago, tried to use this frame set on a layout and just use the center portion of it. So I thought, well, why not give it a shot on this one? So yeah, I have a couple of sheets of paper here. One from Felicity Jane, the red one, and then one from Heidi Swapp. So I will cut that down and border it with the red, and then use these pattern papers as the strips of paper. Now I have 6 different pattern papers here. I have cut into several of these before, and so I will look through my stash to see if I have ones that are already cut down available to use for this layout. I have these border strips, and I want to try and get them used up. I have this one and this one and this one, and then these are just different pieces that I don't know that I have enough of to create like a background element, but these 3 I think I do. I have pulled in some washi tape. My metal of choice is going to be silver this go around, so I have this silver washi tape on this card that I have pulled in, and then I have this one with the holly leaves and berries in silver. These are on like hotel key cards. I had pulled them out years ago to use for a planner, and that's how I carry them in my planner. I just wrap them up on here and then use them until I'm done, and then I put them back in my stash. So you can see I have 2 pieces left on this one, and I have 4 left on this one. So what I don't use will go back into my stash. I also have these little wood veneer pieces that I had pulled in early on in creating layouts. I have the last of these corrugated cardboard trees I want to try and use up. I have quite a few pieces that I have punched out. These are ones that I have die cut out with the Sizzix, and they have a stitched edging around them. Hope you can see that. So I have those. I have some stickers. These are tag shapes or partial tag shapes that I have punched out. You can see this was from a piece where I fussy cut a title, and I really only needed like that top portion of it to be in a tag shape. So it's okay that these other edges, this will be tucked under something so that you can't see that it has that funny shape to it. But yeah, so I have those, and then the 2 smaller tags. I have a washi strip down here. I have some snowflakes from my gnomes. There were some snowflakes in there, and so I have 6 of those here. The title is The Giver. Then I have a phrase sticker here, a phrase sticker here, and a Christmas tree here, and then a journal spot there, and then a little flare, and then that washi strip. And of course I have pulled in 2 of my coveted Chatterbox tags. Whether I use these or not, I don't know, guys. I'm really stingy with them, and I use typically 1 a year, and I've used 1 this year, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna give it my best shot to get these into the album this year. That'll leave me with 4. I still have 4 left, so it'll be good. We'll be fine if I use them. Anywho, so I'm going to start here. These are the things that I am starting with, and we will see what I create. I will give you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to share my layout. Be right back. Okay friends, I'm done with layout number 27. I have leftover papers. I had several, 3 I think, that I had previously cut into, and I only cut 3/4 inch off of all of these, so I didn't even bother cutting into those because I had the leftovers. And you can see these others I just cut 3/4 inch off of. So those will go back into my stash. I have a couple of little strips left from the larger papers. I have, of course, the wood veneer. You can't use all, I guess you could use all of them, but I didn't. Couldn't do it, couldn't use them. They're going back into my stash. And I'm not sad. It's okay. I'll survive. They'll survive to be used another year. And you can see I have a portion of the vellum washi strip in one of the stickers that I had added in left. I have this washi tape here, the silver. I pulled this off and I was going to use it and then didn't end up using it. I did use the white one with the holly leaves on it, the silver holly leaves. I used the larger of the 2 frames. I used nearly all of those. I just have this portion of border strip left, this small little portion here, and then these couple of trees left, and then that sheet will be used up. And I did put my date on my layout, and here is the completed layout. And I have to say, I'm loving it. And I know I keep saying that about all my layouts, but I really do love this layout. I love the pops of silver mixed in. I have the silver circles here that I added. I didn't have another large one to put up here, so I just put a smaller one. Put my little journal sticker down here, and then the second sticker there. Use my partial tags and the small tags here. Use the wood veneer here, here, and here. My border strips that I cut down, of course, are all there. And then these bits and pieces from the embellished ones, I cut. So they don't run all the way behind. They're just cut down. And I did add a paper sack because it had all the right colors in it. And I wanted something to back the photo, just to give it a little extra pop. And so I just cut it down. And I have that leftover piece here. I'll find some use for it. I won't throw it away at this point. I just took my pinking shears and just cut it down there. That's where I used that silver holly leaf and berry washi tape there. I used a couple of those sparkly stickers, the snowflake stickers here, here, and here. Yeah, I used my corrugated, put my title here, my Santa flare there. And let me get it up a little bit closer for you to see. You know, I just love how this turned out. And I will have close-ups of this at the end of the video, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. And don't forget, one of my videos has a secret giveaway, a second secret giveaway. The first secret giveaway is done, but there is a second one, so go back through the videos if you haven't seen them and make sure that you leave a comment on that video and that you're subscribed to my channel. Anyway guys, I will see y'all on the next video. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.